Hi, I'm Jason Wilk, and in today's video we'll be showing you how to install the 90156Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit in this PD755ST backpack blower. Before we get started, we'll just need some safety glasses, 19mm spark plug wrench to remove the spark plug. We'll also need a piece of wire, which you can make from a coat hanger, to go ahead and pull the fuel filter out of the fuel tank, and then the 90156Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit. Before we start the tune-up, we want to make sure our choke lever is in the cold start or closed position, and we also want to make sure the ignition switch is in the off or stop position. To replace the air filter, we'll have to remove this air filter cover, and to do that, we'll go ahead and unthread both of these air filter cover knobs. There's one on top and one on the bottom. Once these knobs are loose, the cover will come off, and we can go ahead and pull the old filter off. To install the new air filter, go ahead and place it into the air filter case, and then reattach the cover by tightening both the upper and the lower fastening knobs until they're secure. Next, we'll replace the fuel filter, which is located inside the fuel tank. So to gain access to it, we'll go ahead and remove the fuel cap. Go ahead and pull the tether out, place it off to the side. Then using our piece of wire, we can go ahead and reach into the tank, pull the fuel pickup with the filter attached out. And then there is a clamp here which secures the fuel line pickup to the fuel filter. So we just want to make sure we hang on to that while we pull this old filter off and slide the new filter on, ensuring that clamp stays in place. Then we'll go ahead and tuck the fuel filter back into the fuel tank and then reinstall the fuel cap. In order to replace the spark plug, we'll go ahead and disconnect the spark plug wire. And then using our 19mm spark plug wrench, we'll go ahead and unthread the spark plug in a counterclockwise direction. To install the new spark plug, we'll go ahead and thread it into the cylinder, using our fingers first just to get the thread started. And then we'll come back with our 19mm spark plug wrench and go ahead and tighten it down. You'll feel it get snug, and then we'll just go ahead and give it another about quarter turn until it's tight in the engine. Then we can go ahead and reattach the spark plug wire. This completes the installation of the 90156Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit on our PD755ST. Now this kit does fit several other backpack models, so just go ahead and make sure you check for your model number on the back of the packaging. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for additional installation videos.